Hey guys, it is Monday here in West Virginia, so it's time for us to do our Mopar Monday. And we kind of have a look back on a couple of Superbees that we did unboxings on, and we have a new one we're doing an unboxing on. This will actually be my third one in my collection. I'm not sure I'm going to keep it, but the first two I love because they look like bone stock 1970 Superbees. This one is kind of a rare color combo. I guess I would call this maybe B5 blue. I think B5 blue is a little darker. I'm not sure B7 blue is a little lighter, if it was darker. I can't remember. But anyways, I like the stock, like C-shaped stripes, I guess I would call them, with your little Superbee in the middle. And then you have your twin snorkel scoops and the black vinyl top, your Go Wing, and a white interior with the Mopar Rallies. Really sweet looking car. And then the other one that I have, let's see if I can get the hood open on this one. Sometimes this one opened pretty easily. I think it's kind of trying to resemble a Hemi. Pretty sure it's got dual quads. So the air cleaner looks like a dual quad air cleaner. That could be a six-pack too, but I think they're trying to make it look like a Hemi with the black valve covers. They're still a little bit narrow for a Hemi, but not sure what it was supposed to be. I don't remember where the box is. But anyways, it's a great-looking car. This one doesn't roll so well. The wheels are rubbing the inside of the fenders. I think the axle is a little bit too long. And the tips that kind of swivel around there. But anyways, I just have it parked in my dealership diorama, so it looks pretty good there. Don't care too much about it rolling. Now, number two, I picked up not too long ago, a couple months ago. This one looks really good. It is red with a white interior again, but with a white top, and it's textured to kind of make it look like a vinyl top. And this one has that Superbee only hood, which looks really cool. And the steel rims that are color matched to the body with the dog dish caps are a nice touch. I would like to find more that look like the blue one and this red one, or even a couple that have the Magnum 500 style wheels on it would be good. I think this car is just like a 383. As you can see, the dual snorkel air cleaner, maybe a 440, I don't know, but definitely not a Hemi in this one, but still a great looking car. I do like these high impact colors with the steel rims that are color matched to the body. Looks really good. Now the new one that we got, this is like the newest release. I think this is from the Detroit Muscle series, I think. This is the one that had the wagon in it that we unboxed not too long ago. And I don't think I showed you guys a GMC truck. I think it was a GMC. It's red and black. It came in this set. I had three of them, but I sold them before I could make a video on them. But anyways, this car looks great, but it's not an original color, which really doesn't bother me. But the wheels on it, they look okay for a Pro Touring style car. But I'm going for more of the original stuff, like the era correct stuff that would be for like 1970, 1971, because of the diorama that I have. But anyways, this one is limited to 9,000 pieces worldwide and has a Superbee emblem on the back, which is one of the greatest looking logos, I think, for muscle cars. Window opening on the rear, so you can see the back of the car, and the window opening on the other end cap, so you can see the front of the car. But we're going to go ahead and slip it out of the box and take the dome off. They're just sealed with these little round stickers, and if I've mentioned before, it won't tear the paper, so don't worry about it. If you don't want to cut your sticker, you can peel it up, and it will come off without a problem. It will not tear the paper. Now, if they're old ones that have been sitting around in different weather conditions, like hot and cold, for many years, now I don't know how those will react, but if it's new, I can almost guarantee it's not going to tear the paper. So here is the car out of the box. and out of the dome. So this one says he has a Hemi, and it looks really cool with the gold stripe on this like emerald green color. I don't know, it's maybe not emerald green, it's a little bit different. I'm not sure what this is, what I would refer to it as. It's a green, I know that much, but... And a lot of times nowadays, their hoods are not opening, and I think that's what they did with this guy here. I think the hood is sealed shut, maybe, because it's not opening so easily. I've had a couple other ones like that, and the doors do open on this. On these higher end castings, the doors and hood are supposed to open, but I have gotten a couple of the higher end castings that look like the door or the hood should open, but it doesn't. So hard to say, but this one's not coming open too easily, and I don't want to bust it, so we'll just leave it alone for now and just imagine it has a Hemi in it. So anyways, that's pretty much it for today, guys. Kind of a short video looking at a couple 70 Superbees. But, yeah, this one I may do a wheel swap on, or it may pop up for sale eventually because of it not being original. Like the casting, I actually love the casting. Like the color combo, the originality of the color and the tail stripe don't bother me as much as the wheels. Don't get me wrong, like the wheels, but for my theme of my diorama and what I collect, it just doesn't fit in. So thanks for watching, guys, and we'll be back again on Friday for our Free It Friday. Hopefully we get something between now and then that's worth showing you guys, and we'll do another video. But right now, I don't have nothing else that I can foresee before Friday. So thanks for watching, guys, and have a great week.